Now students, moving to page number 10. Everyone open page number 10 of the book. Ease of use. Ease of use is another advantage because computers work according to certain rules and instructions. Once the users understand them, they can use the computers to perform any kind of work. Beta, now another advantage of using computerized system is that we can just have to give instructions to the computer once we give instructions correctly to the computer, and once we have provided the rules to the computer, so another time the computer will not ask us that how to perform that task. It will uh, it will uh, do the work by itself. For example, if I provided one time that when I am having 150 stock at my 150 products from the stock, and if I have left with the if my sales are done till 80 and now I have 70 left, so kindly let me inform that now I have just 70 products left. Just give me a notification or just give me an alarm for that. सो बेटा नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन, एक दफा मुझे सिर्फ इंस्ट्रक्शंस उससे प्रोवाइड करनी होगी, और नेक्स्ट टाइम जो है वो हमेशा मुझे वो क्या करेगा, जैसे ही मेरे 70 प्रोडक्ट्स हुए वो मुझे नोटिफिकेशन दे देगा कि नाउ यू हैव टू प्लेस मोर ऑर्डर, बिकॉज अदरवाइज योर स्टॉक विल बी लेस. आपका स्टॉक क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा, और आपके कस्टमर्स जो है वो नाराज होकर चले जाएंगे कि इधर तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है टाइम. Alright, now coming to capacity. Computerized systems can perform more calculations and operations that humans can. This makes computerized systems produce better and faster results than manual systems. A computer can work for a longer time than humans without feeling tired or becoming inefficient. Computerized systems also have greater memory and storage capacities than manual systems. At the same time, computerized systems are not effective in all situations. A computer cannot think for itself. It cannot make decisions for which it has not been programmed. A computer cannot learn by watching other people work. It cannot adapt to new situations on its own. Above all, a computer does not have feelings which human beings have. Now, beta, when we are talking about capacity, the advantage of computerized system is that it has a greater amount of capacity. It means that we can store a larger amount of data, we can store a larger amount of instructions to the computer, because in computer they have a greater memory and greater storage capacity. मैनुअल सिस्टम में क्या होता है बेटा, हमें जो है फिर रजिस्टर्स बाय करने पड़ते हैं, देन अगेन वी हैव टू बाय अनदर रजिस्टर. बट इन कंप्यूटराइज्ड सिस्टम इट कैन सेव आर डेटा, इट कैन स्टोर आर डेटा. जो बेटा हमने बेटा 5 years पहले भी अगर हमने स्टोर किया हुआ होगा डेटा, तो भी वो मुझे मेमोराइज करके मुझे 5 years पहले का मुझे प्रॉफिट या लॉस शो कर देगा. बट मैनुअल सिस्टम में क्या होता है बेटा, क्या पता हमारी नोटबुक या रजिस्टर जो है वो हमसे गुम हो गया हो. ठीक है, अब उससे क्या होगा कि और कैलकुलेशन में भी एरर आ सकता है. इसका मतलब ये है कैपेसिटी कंप्यूटराइज सिस्टम की वो लार्ज होती है मैनुअल सिस्टम से. ऑलराइट, आई होप चैप्टर नंबर 1 which is the data processing cycle is clear to you all. Thank you everyone.